So today I have 2 Target beauty boxes to unbox with you guys today. And I have to say, I got 2 boxes because I didn't get any box last month because I couldn't find the November Target beauty box because all they had were like holiday gift kits. And I know that one of these boxes is like the moisturizing. They had like a hydration box, and then they had their like regular December beauty box. But I was like, well, because I didn't get one last month, I might as well get the moisturizing one because again, my skin, oh girl, it needs some hydration. So both of these boxes were $7. They came shipped together. The packaging is so cute. I think this is probably going to be the hydration one, and this one's going to be the like monthly beauty box. I don't know. This one feels a lot heavier, so I guess we're going to see. But I like the packaging of this one a lot more. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to unbox this one. So basically the way the Target beauty box subscription works is it's not really a subscription. It's not a subscription in the sense of like you give Target your credit card information one time and they send you a box every month on a certain date, and then like you get that until you cancel it. The way the Target subscription box works is they list the beauty boxes up on their website just like they do any other item, and you have to go in and you have to manually purchase it in order to get the box. They sell out really quickly, so I know that they're like, me personally, I sit there and I stalk Target the first week of every month because that's when they upload their beauty boxes and they sell out so quickly. So I'm always like trying to make sure that I get them, and for the last like 4 months I've been pretty successful with always getting one. But so here we have the first Target beauty box for December. I don't know if this is the beauty box or the moisturizing box, but we're just gonna go ahead and see. So this one is the beauty box. Okay, so for $7, this is looking a little light. I don't know, guys. Okay, so let's see. So the first thing that I have is this I suck with pronunciation. Do not come at me. Hask coconut oil moisturizes and revitalizes nourishing conditioner. I like getting shampoo and conditioner samples from Target because I always like what they pick out. In addition, I feel like their samples are so much bigger than what you get in like Birchbox and Ipsy for like, at least for their shampoo and conditioner. And then I also received a matching shampoo. Like I really hate getting foil packet samples in any subscription box ever, and I'm really glad that Target doesn't do that. So these are really like, these are decently sized, and because my hair is so short, this will probably last me like a solid, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks, but I can't wait to see what they smell like and how they work for my hair. The next thing that I received is from L'Oreal Paris. This is Hydra Genius for normal to dry skin. Use under makeup for a flawless, fresh glow. I can tell you that it smells so incredibly amazing. The next thing that I received is from Bliss. This is the Drench and Quench Cream to Water Hydrator for All Day Moisture. Also, oh, I saved it. It came out of the package, but I saved that. Please, round of applause, round of applause. I'm so proud of myself. But did you see that side? It's so pretty. So here's the jar. I have to say that the jar feels kind of wet, like the product leaked. I know it's not actual water, but this is how much I received inside of the sample. I have to say that is definitely looking a little light. I can see the bottom of the jar. Like that right there is literally the bottom of the jar. So there's really not a lot of product in here at all. It literally does absorb into my skin so quickly. It definitely feels like water, but this is a light sample that I'm not super pumped with because like literally like half the jar is filled. The last thing that I'm pulling out of this box is from Lumen Nordic Sea Overnight Bright Sleeping Cream. So this is an overnight brightening moisturizer. I received like 3 different types of moisturizers in this box, and I have to say for $7, I don't feel like I got $7 value out of this all. I feel like it was more like the $4 or $5. However, I do know that skincare is expensive, and this is like a brightening cream, and this sample is definitely like a lot more filled than that other sample was, but I don't even feel like that Bliss moisturizer sample was even worth 50 cents at that, but I'm glad to see that this isn't halfway filled. Okay, so maybe I was wrong, and maybe this is the Target beauty box for December, because that one was really like moisturizing. Like there was a lot of moisturizers in that. So this one was also $7. I think the packaging's kind of fun because like it's kind of like glittery. Like, do you see that? It's so pretty. Okay, so yes, I am a ding dong, and this is the Target beauty box. This is the actual beauty box itself. The other one was a moisturizing box, which makes sense why there were so many moisturizing products in there. So I see some exciting items in here. Also, what just came off my hands? I don't know. But the first thing that I'm pulling out is from Dove Intensive Repair Shampoo for Damaged Hair. My hair is very damaged. I do a lot of color treatment, heat styling. I'm not very nice to my hair at all. But I am kind of sad to see that this doesn't have a matching conditioner, because we literally just got a shampoo and conditioner matching set in the other box. But I mean, this is still a decently sized, like this is a really nice sample size. And Dove is not a brand that I ever see samples of in any of my subscription boxes. The next thing that I'm pulling out is from Me Bath Coconut and Lime Bath Bomb. Ooh, that is so fun. Enjoy a tropical escape with the scent of refreshing coconut and lime. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, that definitely, you really get the lime in that one. And then kind of the coconut's hitting me now. That smells nice, and that's very different. And I literally never get bath bombs from Target ever. So this was a different product, kind of refreshing things in their monthly beauty boxes. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Pond's Cold Cream Makeup Remover. Deep cleanser. Oh, I love getting makeup remover in my Target beauty boxes. They're the only box that I have that sends me any sort of makeup remover. So let's see. This is decently filled. This is not a half empty sample. It has a nice like clean scent to it, and I've never tried this out before, and I do hear a lot of people like using this and like talking about how it's really good. So I've never really thought to purchase it for myself, but now that I have the opportunity sitting right here in my hand, I'm excited to see how this takes off my makeup. The next thing that I am pulling out is Lemon and Sage Body Butter from Bliss. Ooh, I love lemon. I love lemon. I really hope that this smells like lemon. It smells definitely like up front at first, you definitely get the lemon. But as I'm putting it on my hand, like, and smoothing it out, I definitely get a lot more of the sage than I do the lemon. Like right at the bottom, if I'm just sniffing it from here, you definitely get the lemon like right up front and personal. But on my hand, the sage is a lot more prevalent. But this is a body moisturizer, and I didn't get any of that in the moisturizing box. I just got all face products, and this is definitely like, I like the kind of like warm scents that they're sending in this box. Like lemon's kind of summer, coconut and lime's kind of summer, so it's kind of like pushing you through the barely started, because like it's December and winter is December. December's in winter. Winter blues. The next thing that I'm pulling out is from Dr. Teal's Pink Himalayan Salt Scrub Restore and Replenish. I have to admit, I do not like this salt scrub at all. I own my own vegan and cruelty-free cosmetic line called Little Pearl Cosmetics. I make lip scrubs and body scrubs, and this one is very sticky and oily and isn't scented, and all of my lip scrubs are edible, they're flavored, and my body scrubs are, they're scented, and this is just very sticky and greasy feeling. And since like I own my own cosmetic company, I'm not impressed by this whatsoever. But I do think, like, outside of my own like bias, I do think that this is a nice little addition to receive in the box. It's not something that you normally get in any Target boxes. But put that aside, I'm not really impressed by how oily this solution is. Like if you just look, that's literally all oil that I just poured out of the solution. It's like their solution separated, which I don't understand why theirs would do that, but it's very greasy feeling, and compared to my products, something that I use on a daily basis, this isn't something that I'm too fond of. And I do really like getting like one sample of mask in my Target beauty boxes. I know the last beauty box I got, I complained that it was nothing but masks, but I do like getting them occasionally, so I'm really glad that this box wasn't filled with nothing but mask. But a peel off mask is definitely my favorite type of mask. So the first box that I unboxed was the Target moisturizing box, and then the second box that I unboxed was the November Target beauty box. And I have to say, I definitely feel like I got a much larger value out of the beauty box than I did with the moisturizing box. The moisturizing box just felt a little bit like it was missing a thing or a couple of things. I don't feel at all like I got the total $7 value out of that box. However, the beauty box was nice. I liked how it was well rounded, and I got some like summer scents. However, I do kind of hope that they hint and send some like maybe some makeup. Some makeup would be really nice. It's been a long time since I've ever seen any sort of like makeup products from Target in a while. So I hope that their next box, maybe they include a makeup product, but I do feel like this box was decently well-rounded. It was much more like a skincare box than it was a beauty box, but I do feel like it was one of the better boxes that I received in like the last 2 or 3 months. So which box did you guys think was better, the moisturizing box or the monthly beauty box? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.